Well, I must say that was quite interesting getting the trailer up here. Getting through the gates and fighting the traffic at the bottom and getting up that hill was not easy. Nobody to spot me. Didn't hit the building, that's good. Check out how close I got to the block. Couldn't even see that in the mirror. That was just sheer fortune. Got that jack out the other day. Poor thing. A little crusty, but it still works. This has been an amazing jack. The next jack I gotta clean out and get going is that one. When we pulled this piece out of there, we pulled the whole thing up. It's funny because on the back side you can see the base. I think I hear somebody coming. Oh, let's see, maybe we got a visitor. I don't know, Davey or Cheryl might stop by today, who knows. Yeah, somebody here, maybe Matthew. Oh yeah, Matthew. Okay, he's gonna get some painting done. We got some done down in our craft cabin, so I'm gonna get some more done. Cool. I won't be alone. Now comes the dicey game. I dug a little bit there, but a few things are falling down. I don't really want to lose any more of this wall. It's amazing this has been holding up like it has. For a rotted old beam, she's been doing okay. I think I want to stick another board underneath there, run a couple boards across from the temporary wall out to here, just to be sure. So let me dig around this little foundation, see what I got right here, make a plan and get back to you. I got a plan. See if this works. It went in much. Wow. There was something there. Stand up straight. It's tough, but it's tough. Okay, I gotta readdress this somehow. So this is what my evil genius side of me planned. Alright, I got that board up there and secure it. I put some 2x4 blockers coming down into some wood that's actually wood. Got that 4x4 post timber locked into this 2 studs. And I got brick under there. And temporary wall for the form. So that's a start. Now, I gotta dig some more and I don't really want to, but I'm gonna have to finish forming this up. But at least I got some sort of structure there. It's gotta help, right? Sure. That's what I keep telling myself. Oh boy, here we go. About to get ugly. Let's see, where can I put you guys so that you can see? when the wall comes tumbling down. Stay. Stay.
Forget it. It's done. Now you don't have to be neat. Relax in your rock garden. Yeah, I was looking at how cracked that was and everything, and I'm like, that's just not good. Oh, I see. I didn't think you should.
I didn't want it to go any
I did not think you should do that.
That's why I was trying to get this rock right here out, because this guy wants to go on the inside, but I can't.
It's don't worry about it. Knock this one down because no, don't. If you let that one, it'll pull the other one with it. How'd the wire get in there?
Ran outside for something. Well, at least good news is we can take it down.
Is that good? Okay. I'm glad I'm not on the other side of the wall. I think I'll move again. I don't know which way to go. Oh boy. I still wouldn't be careless. Don't push it. There you go. Yeah, just undermine it. It'll come on its own. Yay, I have burnstone to play with. That's a beauty.
Keeping that one.
Keeping all of them. I love them all. I'm a little girl, but I love big things. I'd rather have a big rock than a little bitty diamond. Are you my mother? You're a snort.
That's all pretty good right there. Well, here's what we're left with. About 2-foot cavity, all cleaned out as to the best of our ability. Just a couple of 4x4 braces, just in the off chance something happens. Cantilevers into the wall in there. This is level, so that Pat can pour concrete right up to here, and all screwed in and cleaned out to the best of my ability anyway. It should all lock into the concrete that they poured. Apparently they poured it in the inside of the wall. I don't know, again, I never know what they did with the block. There was brick around there. But I'm kind of glad they returned the block there, because then that kind of makes a nice surface for us to work off of. I did throw one piece of rebar in here. Probably, I'm sure Pat's going to throw some more rebar in here. Then once he fills this up to here, he can cement block the rest of it. This will be the only thing I don't know how he'll want to, like this will be up, have concrete under it, so it should strengthen it. He'll have to like cut this or something. That's his problem. He's the concrete guy, not me. Anyway, I'm gonna throw a little dirt in underneath it to get rid of this pile so we can be ready to pour concrete.